To the future Mrs. Bowie, the day has finally come. Today we join hands and become a married couple, a forever bond that will stand the test of time.
I've thought about this day forever, and you're far greater than the Prince Charming I imagined.
I am beyond excited for us to write our own story together, and I look forward to the memories that we'll create as one.
And no one is ever going to love you more than God, Ty, and me. We will love you unconditionally.
Two worlds collide with our hearts on the line. We were young and naive. We were wild, we were free.
On our first date, I was so impressed by you. You made me feel so special. I wanted to sit at Spoon and Stable and talk to you forever. After that date, I knew without a shadow of a doubt that you were the one for me. I thought I had seen the best version of you on our first date, but little did I know that was just a sneak peek of what was to come.
Time has come. Every song has been sung. When the fire
You mean so much to me, and I grow more in love with you each day.
No matter what life throws our way, I will always have your back. I will always put you first, and I will always love you.
I don't wanna leave your arms tonight. I'm falling, still falling for you. I just wanna stay by your side. I'm falling, still falling for you.
I promise you that I'll always be by your side. I promise that I will cherish you. I promise to always do better for you and our family.
To know you is to love you. I truly loved you the day I met you. I love you even more now. And I will love you with my whole heart forever.
The first time the newly married couple, Mr. and Mrs. Laura and Jason Bowie, may kiss the bride.
I'm committed to you, I'm committed to our marriage, and I'm committed to being your best friend. Jace, you truly are the best thing that's ever happened to me.
I look forward to taking this journey with you and growing old. You are my best friend.